In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from stocks on Revolut. To do this, simply go and open up Revolut, and then what you want to do is go to Invest in the bottom, and then here in your Invest section you'll have all your stocks. For example, I have a little bit of Tesla, so if you want to withdraw money from your stocks on Revolut, first you will need to sell the stocks you want to withdraw. So for example, I'll click Tesla right here, then just go and click Sell, choose the number of shares. Now I've already put in a sell order, but from here you can then choose how much you want to sell, then click review, and then after the market opens, then they will be sold, and it will then go to your investment account. So right here you can then go and click on withdraw from within invest, and then select withdraw money from brokerage account. Now here choose how much you want to withdraw. For example, I'll do 0.9, then just go and click withdraw. And now it will be withdrawn to my main balance. As you can see, it's now gone from here, and now it will show up right here in my normal balance. So that's how to withdraw money from stocks on Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.